Okay, morning guys. So it is raining hard here. It is Monday morning, and as you can see, the Z is on the trailer, but also everything else as well. So you might remember this from this time last year where we went off to the Nürburgring. This time we are packing the new Acrova Max from Zestino, and also everything else you can imagine, because we are off to Iron Drift King in Ferropolis in Germany. So we are going to be setting off in the next hour or two. I wanted to get this done now before the rain got even heavier. But yeah, it's going to be one hell of a competition out there. I've been wanting to do this event since I saw it back in 2019. We were trying to go out in 2020, as you may remember, but COVID hit and then everything went wrong from there. So finally, we managed to get out there ourselves. It's going to be one hell of an event. And yeah, I'm looking forward to trying to put on the best show I can do on that awesome venue. So yeah, well, let's go and chew up this long journey. I think we've got about 4 or 5 hours in the UK, then 7 hours on the other side. And yeah, hopefully it'll all be worth it. That bored Brett, isn't it?
Always.
Always on his phone. There's the ship. So just been actually having a look at some pretty old school cool Formula 1 cars actually from back in the day in the queue. But yeah, we have successfully made it to the ferry port. So yeah, Zed's here all in one piece. Little truck is definitely struggling with all the weight on the back. But yeah, we're happy to be here now in the queue, ready to get on. Gonna get ourselves beer, a little bit of food, get some shut-eye, ready for the early start in the morning, and then the long haul to Ferropolis. Hey guys, so yesterday we arrived at our Airbnb and I was ruined. So any of you that saw me on my Instagram stories probably was laughing because I looked white, I looked exhausted, and yeah, it was a long day, 7-hour drive plus 440 miles I think it was from, importantly, who cares about that? Look where we are. So this is the Iron Drift King track. You can see Del and Carl sat there. It is absolutely roasting right now, which is awesome because it was supposed to be a bit rainy today as well, so we're hoping that this is going to be the sign of things to come for this week. Over there is the run-up, initiation corner, clutch kick, clip 1, 2, 3, wall run for 4, 5 and 6 are over there. It's going to be mega. So yeah, we've set up the pits. We're going to go and find our way of getting scrutineered in a minute as well, but I'm just going to take some time to have a little wander around here, let some of the other guys get set up, and yeah, just I think get some suntan lotion on and enjoy the view for a bit. So welcome to IDK day 2. I'm actually currently on the other side of the containers. I'm going to take you a little bit of a walk through what's gone on. So last night and this morning were the craziest rainstorms that I've seen in a long time, and this is our pit. It is absolutely soaking. So the guys are now trying to get the water off the little extra gazebo. The pot ours, we don't even know what the Z looks like in there. But yeah, I think we're all wishing that we had wellies and was probably pitted in somewhere a bit better, but we'll have to make do what we can with it and go from there. So let's get set up. Right, so it's now time to put my money where my mouth is. Practice session 1 is coming up in the next 40 minutes. So the guys are, well, Del's trying to bail out the water from underneath it. Yeah, we're just going to get the car warmed up, get it in position and get set up ready for this first crazy run. So luckily the sun's out, so the track is drying up quick as well, which is good. So we're not going to change too much on the car right now. Just going to see what those new Acrova Max can do for us, and yeah, just send it into that first corner and pray she all hooks up as we want. So right, wish me luck guys, we're going out.
Hustling for my baby, trying to pay my escape. I ain't staying in the matrix, really trying to get my papes.
Okay, so first 2 laps of practice are done, and I can say that I love the Acrova Max. Definitely helped settle the car down and give me some more confidence to attack the walls. First lap, obviously, as you'd expect, a little bit off, a bit of a gap everywhere, but second lap we definitely got more speed up, got a little bit closer, you know, so we're starting to tighten those screws, which is what we always aim for. So, did a pair of tyres in that time. There's a few more guys out there. Unfortunately, it is just 2 laps that we could get in this first session. Car's cooling off, I'm cooling off. We're just watching the rest of the guys now. We're back on at 3 o'clock, and yeah, hopefully more of the same, just more speed.
But it's
4 was better that time, wasn't it?
Yeah, 4 you stayed on the opposite way around, but clip 3 went one way and needs to get that one then.
Yeah, I felt
you went on to clip 3.
Yeah.
Too much angle.
Yeah, I like that first bit when you first come into it. That was brilliant hours, and then you kind of
you like dialed loads on and then just went and you front wheel. And they want you to be smooth better as well.
Yeah, right, okay. Yeah, I could actually see it that time, and I kind of went like over the little. It feels like there's a little like.
Right,
there isn't one. Well,
you like your t-shirt?
Yeah, so I'm wearing a t-shirt all year round. Yeah. But yeah, okay. Right then guys, so that is the end of the 2 second practice sessions. Definitely not without its dramas. So this time the usual fuse went in the fuel pump, so we definitely got something we need to address there. Obviously it's just going to be a case of chucking a bigger amped fuse in, you know, bush spec, but that should do us for the weekend. Managed to have a ride out with Nick Nack as well. A bit of red mist came down and a slightly fluffed up clip 2 piece. But anyway, nevertheless, it was nice to get out there with him. As usual, he chucks down a perfect line. So yeah, we'll hopefully be ready for the DMEC qualification bit, which is next for us, I believe. And then, yeah, a couple of hours break, and then we've got night practice. So that'll be cool. We'll get the lights on, get the underglow on. A couple of cars to go past. And yeah, let's just keep going. It is super hot here still, humidity, but luckily the sun has kind of gone away a little bit. But man, my race suit is soaked, I'm soaked. I cannot wait for a shower and a nice cold drink. But the other boys are here now, so we are 100% full team, and we are good to go for later on. So wish me luck.
Und da geht's jetzt für Ian Phillips mit der Nummer 41 an den Start. Da haben wir auch schon, ja, genau vor das
Okay, right, so behind me we are in the car wash area. Dell's doing the work with Carl. There's also refueling and stuff like that. Brett is doing that. But anyway, let me talk about what happened. So DMEC practice lap, we got 1 lap to go and do, like I explained earlier. Got a 63. So Eclipse 1 and 2 that I've been doing so well at all through the day, they were kind of my undoing really. So I was too shallow on 2. We're just watching some of the videos back and you can see the car just like, or not stop, but you know, instead of gliding through, it just sort of slowed me up, and then I came out of 2 and out of 3. So that's just something I need to learn. I think it's because I was able to warm the tyres up properly this time, because I had the burnout box to myself. But anyway, stuff for learning for tonight and tomorrow. So we're gonna have a few more laps tonight, maybe 2, hopefully 3, but yeah. It's getting dusk here now. Good to have the lights on, good to have the underglow on. And yeah, we'll get back out there and put some of the learning from that lap into place, so then we're ready for a good qualifying score tomorrow. You see how gnarly the sky is? Check the sky out through the GoPro.